Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Raja and I'm back again with another mukbang.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, had to put you in your place.
Today, I have some stuffed tiger shrimp. Ooh. Look at that.
How many shrimps do you have to eat before you make your skin turn pink? Eat too much and you'll get sick. Shrimps are pretty rich.
I have some sauce to go with it. And it's not really sauce. It's more like fondue or whatever. Fondue. I believe it's fondue. And it's just melted cheese. And I have something extra special. Some hot Cheetos, baby. Let's pour this all on her. Let me just say my prayer. Lord, thank you for this food I receive in your name. Please bless the hands that prepared this meal, Lord. Please let this meal to be a blessing to my tummy. In God's name I pray, amen. Okay, you guys, so again, this is my first meal of the day. Well, let's do a thumbnail. Okay, I think that's good enough. All right, let's try this. Ooh. So hot and good. It's steaming. It's steaming. Jesus H. I'm nervous. Mmm. 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 Woo-hoo. This is even better than I thought it was gonna be, actually. Mmm. So hot. Mmm. The recipe that I actually got for this, I believe I got it from another YouTuber. I forgot their name. I think she's an ASMR. She does ASMR videos. I'll leave it in the description, but oh my god, this is so good. You guys want some? Go ahead. Take a bite. Mmm. So good. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Mmm. Let's try some Cheetos. Mmm. So I thought that this was gonna have some like pull to it, you know? Like a pull of cheese. But it doesn't. It did earlier though. Mmm. That's good. That's really good. Mmm. Let's try another one. I might have to heat this up again, to be honest. Ooh, can you guys see the steam? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Wow. Oh yeah. This is good. I mean, I don't know. I was expecting it to be good, but not this good. Like, whew, this is really good. Mm-hmm. Once the inside. You guys see the inside? The shrimp is at the bottom, and then this is the stuffing. So, what I made it out of, shrimp, and the stuffing is like crab, cornbread, some seasoning and junk. Ooh, hot. One thing's for sure, you can get full off of this. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. That's how good this food is. It make you just want to sing. I'm gonna ride it till I can't no more. This is good with the hot Cheetos. Look. Yeah. So good. This is so freaking good. Man. Get something to drink. Today I just have water. Oh, this water is good for the soul. It's good for the soul. Ooh. Speaking of soul. Dun, 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 dun. No, I'm just kidding. I did watch the Beyonce Homecoming. It was lit. It was Baychella. It was Baychella all over again. Just a little bit more in detail. And yeah. And just being able to watch Beyonce do what she do behind the scenes. I just love it. I just love it. She had me listening to it on Tidal today in the car. Listening to it live again. Hey, I'm a Beyonce stan, okay? And that's just what we do. Period. She has like the the entertainment side of the industry, she has it down to a science. Like, are you not entertained? Like, I went to go see Beyonce 3 times in my life. And boy, oh boy. I think I went to the I Am tour. I think that's what it was. And whatever the tour was called that Lemonade was on. And On the Run too. Okay. I was never disappointed. Whenever Beyonce decides to retire, which nobody knows when that's going to be, hopefully no time soon, but if she does try to retire, like, sooner than later, oh my God, my heart is going to be broken. Like, I feel like I might feel like somebody died or something. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I lost a loved one. Even though she's not going to probably go anywhere, but to say that you're retiring, ooh. This is have another bite. Isn't that good? So good. Hot. Man, this was delicious. For real. So, you guys know that I usually save something, at least one. So I have this one left, and I'm most likely gonna save that one too. And I'm donezo. That's it. That was amazing. Amazing. Yeah, you guys, if you're able to make that, definitely make this. It's so good. I'll leave the recipe where I got it from down below in the description. And that's it, you guys. I'm done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share my video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.